Hi everyone, I just wanted to go over the fluorination of benzene. So let's start off by drawing our benzene. So for this reaction, it's quite different from bromine and chlorine just due to fluorine being so reactive. We just want to use a compound that's not going to explode when we react it with benzene. Um, so the fluorinated compound or compounds you can use that I've used it's sort of this one is amine, fluorinated amine or fluoroamine. There's also the salt that can be used as well. So something like this, and then the anion to balance that to give us our desired product. So I'm just gonna use green for fluorine here. Nice, something like that. So an example of these fluoroamines. So I've used this one before. This imide, it's got symmetry here. Yeah, something like this where it's got sulfur has two oxygens here, and then obviously you can't forget about the fluorine. Nice. So this one is known as like NFSI. There's also a salt that you could use, like something like this, where it has these two nitrogens, this chlorine, and then obviously the bridge for this bicyclic compound, and this positive charges because there's four bonds. And since we have two positive charges, we need two equivalents of our anion here, something like that. And this one, I've seen select fluor for this one. I've also seen something like this where it's TEDA. So that's this part here, and then there's a fluorine attached to it, and then they'll also specify the anion for it as well, something like this. So I'm gonna use this one because this is a bicyclic one because it's quite interesting in terms of how it looks. So and it's quite cool to look at. So let's use that for the mechanism. Okay, so let's start with benzene here. And we'll redraw this guy again. Our chlorine there, and then our fluorine, and then we can actually write something like this. You just draw these guys in. So as you can see here, this positive charge, this bond can move into there, and which allows for an electrophilic attack of this fluorine here, because since this bond moves there, it becomes positive here, allowing for the electrophilic attack of the benzene there, which allows for this to form positives right there, and that forms. Since we also have this proton here, which we don't draw in, just for simplicity's sakes, and as we can see, we get a lone pair on this nitrogen, that's going to take that deprotonate this compound here, this intermediate. So like this guy is going to take here, and then this is going to form a pi bond over there. Which gives us our final product. And I guess I'll draw it's important to draw our charges as well. Don't want to rush too much, but yeah, and this is our final product.